Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a 43-inch garment bag for travel, so let's check this out. So this should hopefully help us put our nice clothes in something when we travel so it won't get all yucky up and whatever in my luggage. I use like just a hard-sided luggage, so I don't necessarily want to carry a suitor with me. So this gives me the option to not do that. So let's open this thing up. I'm gonna kind of roll back here and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like here. It gets pretty long, so you can put your stuff in it. Let me see how this looks. If there's a top and the bottom, there it is. So there's the little hole here in the top, so you can put your stuff in there. Let me open up the zipper, and I'll show you guys what it looks like a little bit inside. So, oh, that was not the right way. It's already open. So you can kind of put your clothes in there, and then the hangers will hook up to this. I'll show you. Let me go grab something here. This is not what I will be putting in my suitor for permanentness, but I'll show you guys what it's like. So you can put this up, and then you can put the hanger through the little hook. So then it'll hold it up in there. Put this around it and zip it up. And so you're using your existing hanger and able to do it that way. And so then once you get it, you can fold it up, and then you can even zip up the sides. So then, let's see, I'll show you. This looks like a briefcase. So here we go. So now it's kind of like a little briefcase thing. So you can hold it this way. It looks like it's even got a little zipper here on the side, so you can put some things in the side. So if you just wanted to carry this even on the plane or something like that with you, if you have your suit or whatever, just for a day trip, carry your suit in there. You can even put your shoes and things in there and just carry this, which is super convenient, super nice. I like the way it zips up on the sides like that, so you can really carry it nice and easy, and very nice. And then when you're ready to open it back up again, just zip it back. And there we are. And we've got it here, and my shirt is still hanging up. Very nice. So super nice. You've got a couple of little pockets here, so you can put some things in there. And then your little zipper pouch in the back is still there. So very cool. So I'm going to say thumbs up on this. This is going to be nice and convenient for definitely when I travel. I'll be using it a lot. So I like it. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.